Sit back down and negotiate.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Sit back down and negotiate.
Sit back down and negotiate.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We know what we're fighting for.
We know what we're fighting for.
Thank you for showing up. It means a lot to me, but it should mean a lot more to each one of you guys that you're standing up for yourself. I want to better the care here and have better staffing, and I want to be strong. And
our number one priority is the residents, and that's why we're here.
That's right.
Well, I just want to thank everyone for showing up. I mean, this is the first time Guardian Angels has ever had a picket or anything to this extreme. And I feel like the stronger we stand together, our point will get across, and hopefully they'll realize we're not just minimum wage workers and showing up for a job, that we care about the residents and we want better relationship between management and staff and the whole shebang.
One of the things that is a principle in our union is that wages are negotiable and benefits are negotiable, but respect is not negotiable. All across this state, nursing home workers are going to be encouraged by your fight, and they're going to see you win, and and when you do win, you're going to encourage other people to stand up too. So this isn't the only fight in this state, but what you're doing is inspiring the workers all across this state. So thank you all. Thank you to the bargaining committee.
What do we want?
Contract!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Contract!